Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today I have this Toyota Corolla in the shop and I'll be showing you guys how to properly clean out from carpets to fabric seats, but in different methods. And by that I mean you could go and use a nifty brush, the nifty brush tied around with a microfiber method, and even the drill attachment brush. For our first method, we're actually going to go ahead and just use the nifty brush by itself. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a hard cut line with my tape. I'll go ahead and tape up this area right here. And excuse me if I go ahead and make a lot of squares. Don't worry guys, I'll take care of it after. So I'll go ahead and make this little half a square. And I'll be cleaning up this area right here. So the product I'll be using today is Lightning Fast. Lightning Fast is a stain extractor that cleans up in lightning, like lightning. By that I mean just simply spray it on, scrub it out, and you're good to go. So give it a couple sprays onto the area you're working on. And then I'll go ahead and let it like 15 to 20 seconds, let it agitate the dirt so it can help it lift off properly. Then I'll go ahead and get my nifty brush, spray some onto the brush, put my bottle right there. And all you want to do is just simply scrub it back and forth, side to side. What this ensures, it ensures you lift off all the dirt, grime, debris, oil, whatever it might be in your vehicle, and reveal the shine the fiber once had. Can fabric even have shine? I think so. So just by simply massaging it, this foams up. You might be able to see the foam on camera, but it actually does foam up. Simply massage it back and forth. The nifty brush has nylon bristles that are not too abrasive on fabric, that will not tear it up. So I'll go ahead and get my microfiber towel and wipe it off. So that's the nifty brush by itself. It went ahead, removed grime, debris from the fabric of the seat. Now let me show you guys the before and after. And you can see a crazy before and after right here, before and after. That's just by using just the nifty brush. Method number 2. This method is going to go ahead and take a microfiber towel. You could use any type of microfiber towel. I like using the Workhorse microfiber towel. The pollen towel is not too plush. It's actually going to go ahead and help me lift up all the dirt, grime, or debris that's on the surface easy and safely as possible. You get the nifty brush, slap it in the middle. The microfiber towel is actually going to go ahead and ensure you properly clean it out without damaging the surface of the vehicle. Especially on this Toyota Corolla, it has these little fibers design that I do not actually want to lose, because on an older vehicle, whenever you scrub on these fibers, you tend to lose the texture of them, which you do not really want. So I'll go ahead and get Lightning Fast, give it the same amount of sprays, spray it onto my microfiber towel, and same exact thing, just massage it side to side. Look at this, guys. Just excuse it if I lose a tape line, but bear with me, guys. And this can be done anywhere, in your garage, outside, in direct sunlight, off sunlight. It does not matter. But what people don't understand, I'm just gonna get rid of this. What people don't understand is you get used to seeing your fiber dirty. So you might not say my fiber is not dirty or my carpet is not dirty. But whenever you actually clean it up, you start seeing the big before and after, and that's how your carpet once was. But just by simply scrubbing it out, you see the grime come out. So move my brush to a different side. Spray a little bit more onto my brush and just massage it out. Lightning Fast can also be used at home, like your carpets, your couches, just quick touch-ups. So just like that, put my brush down, flip over to a clean microfiber towel, and just wipe off any residue. And wow, that is a big before and after. It went from being super dirty to super clean. But if you guys actually notice, the microfiber towel method actually delivered much of a deeper clean than just the nifty brush method. Whenever you have a very light stain, I recommend using just the nifty brush method. But if you have something that's a little bit more severe on the dirtier side, wrap it up, use a microfiber method to go ahead and deep clean. So now it's time to go and use the drill and the drill brush attachment. We actually do manufacture 3 different types of brushes. We manufacture the red one, the yellow one and the gray one. The red one is super heavy duty. And the bristles are very tough. I recommend using that on like harsher areas for deeper clean. Then we have the yellow one, which is my favorite, is the medium. It's nothing too light, nothing too heavy. I like using this on my carpet. I also use this on my fabric. But whenever it's a little small stain, just like I went ahead and demonstrated you guys, I like using my Nifty brush because it's way easier to work with instead of me actually using it all the way down here, bumping into the area, and I can't actually get into the grooves with this. And then we also manufacture the gray one. The gray one is super soft, and I recommend using that one either on your vinyl or your leather. Don't go ahead and attach too much pressure when using these brushes, just let the brush do its job. But before I actually go ahead and clean the surface, I actually noticed that there are some shoes on here. And I'm actually going to show you guys that lightning fast can be used on shoes. So I'll go and put the shoe right there. I'll get my tape and I'll give you guys a hard 50-50. A lot of people tend to forget to clean up their shoes, but whenever you're actually detailing a car, I don't know about you guys, but I tend to step in puddles a lot whenever I'm actually using a foam cannon. So foam gets onto my shoes, then I start walking around and then it's all dirty. So it's time to go ahead and clean up this shoe, and I'm only going to take it the very easy method. And by that, I'm not going to go ahead and get any brushes. I'm just going to get a simple microfiber towel to clean it up. I'll get my lightning fast and spray some on here. I'll put that down, and about so much is all I'm going to need. I'll get my shoe. And whenever you are cleaning shoes, I recommend using like microfiber towel, stuff the shoe so you actually don't bend it if you actually care about your shoes, but these are just running shoes. Don't tell Tony I didn't put any microfiber towels in his shoe. So scrub it out, and let me scrub out the swoosh. And this is just like 10 seconds of just rubbing it back and forth. After you're done, flip it over to clean side, buff it off, and now you'll have a clean car and a clean shoe at the same exact time. Look at that, guys. Quick before and after. And that just took less than 10 seconds. Just simply rub it back and forth. Do not use any heavy abrasive brushes on your shoes because you might scratch out the sole or the swoosh. So now it's time to get back into this video. I'll take care of your shoes later. So let me just toss this out. Don't tell them I'm tossing them out. I trust you guys. Toss that out. And now it's time to go ahead and use the drill method. I'll put my drill down here, and I'll get my tape line going. And now it's time to go ahead and clean it out using the drill attachment. Same exact thing as the polisher method. Whenever you're working on carpet with a drill, always put the cord over your shoulder to reduce the chance of you scratching up any plastics. So I'll go ahead and get my lightning fast. Lightning fast simply spray it onto the surface. Give it a couple sprays. Then I'll go ahead and allow lightning fast to penetrate the dirt, grime, whatever's on here, and lift off properly. Then you'll go ahead and get your drill attachment brush, spray some on here. Just be generous with it. You'll go to your area you're working on, and you're just gonna work it back and forth, side to side, up and down, until you clean up the full surface. So there you guys go, and you guys see how easily and effectively it was to go ahead and use a drill. If you do apply too much pressure, you might feel like your drill's controlling you, like pushing you back and forth. If that's the occasion, you're applying too much pressure, let off the pressure, just let the brush do its job. Now I'll go ahead and get a clean microfiber towel, buff off any residue. You guys can see the grime that's coming off. Massage it back and forth, make sure everything's out. Put this right here. Let me go ahead, show you guys the before and after. So like I said, a lot of you guys might forget how your carpet once looked, and by that I mean whenever the pile doesn't even pop up something like so, that means it's very dirty because all that grime is pushing down onto the fibers, which makes it look not furry at all. This is how the fibers once looked whenever it came out of dealership. We showed you 3 different methods how to properly clean up your fabric by using the Nifty brush by itself, the microfiber method, and the drill attachment. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what type of video you want to see. We hope this put a smile on your face, and we will see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.